Big Crazy John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures, and I have to thank Surviveware for sending me this biodegradable wet wipes, and that's what this video is going to be about, so stay tuned. So, you know, you got your normal going hiking, going camping, being outdoors and getting dirty, and especially, you know, like we've gone on some hikes where it's just like super hot. Not having that problem today because it's super cold out here. But, you know, normally you go out and you go hike and you get sweaty and you get really dirty and you just want to, you know, you're going to be camping that night. You're going to be like backpacking maybe, and you're going to tent camp. So you can't take a shower. So that's where these wipes come into play. And they're large. And so you could basically like take like a, you know, a dry shower. You know, you can just wipe off with these and get refreshed and get cleaned up. So I think they're good for that. I also think there would be, and I can show you an example where, you know, we go play outside and, you know, Abby's down here with me today and she's gonna get all muddy. And sometimes there's not a place to wash up and get into the truck. And so, you know, I can swap out shoes and whatnot and throw the shoes in the truck bed, but she can't swap out her shoes. So I gotta wipe off her feet. And one of the best ways to do that is gonna be with these large wet wipes. And I'm gonna show you an example of that. Give me your paw, give me your paw. Good girl. She's letting me wipe her paws. Give me your other paw. Good Carol. So, case in point, you know, gets the gunk off. Oh, we got even more towel here. Look at that. Give me your paw. Heavy. Bang, 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 bang. So we got our paws cleaned up, we got some of the major gunk off. That's a good use. Biodegradable large wet wipes by Surviveware. Survive the dust, survive the sweat. 100% biodegradable, unscented, alcohol-free, pH balance, hypoallergenic, aloe vera, vitamin E. Compostable in 28 days. I really think this is funny. Ideal for posterior pampering. And I like this little barcode they got in here. It's wild out there. Be prepared. It's got a skunk and a hiker. That's pretty cool. It also has this description on the back. Compostable, biodegradable wipes. Freshen up like a baller while exploring the great outdoors. When nature calls and you're unprepared, things can get dirty. So, like I was saying, I think it's Abbey approved. I hope you enjoyed the video. I like these wipes. I think they're good. There's going to be an Amazon link in the below. A link to the Surviveware website. Also, there's a competition going on. If you could go check out the link I'm going to have below. Hopefully my video gets posted there, so you could vote on. Remember, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.